afternoon. Welcome to the Cool Surf Guide channel. I'm out in the outdoors again. So this week I am camping with my buddy Dan, who's in the tent right now fixing up his gear. We're at a place called Salt Point, way up north, like a 3-hour drive north from the Bay Area. It's beautiful out here. Anywho, this is a start to an amazing week. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. Hit that subscribe button for me, please, and then I'll catch you guys again soon.
This is the bear spray for now, in case if you need it. But if you can get that water, we'll be able to start cooking. This is a camp towel there for drying. Ooh, it's cold.
I burned the rice.
Oh, yeah, put more water, dude, and not...
Stupid tempo. I stepped on it again. Dinner, yes, sir. All that space.
Hey. Are you ready? There's like miniature terrain. You can get killed by whole things of wild creatures. They're like velociraptors. What if they were off? Couldn't get through them. Ah, so beautiful. Wow, dude. Right here.
Dan? It's a big thing right there, dude. Oh, haha, never mind. End of the first day, we're gonna call it a night. Early day tomorrow, got some hiking to do. Anywho, you guys have a good night. Catch you guys again tomorrow. Hit subscribe if you like the videos, and we'll go from there. Bye. Good morning. Welcome. Oh my god. Day 2 camping trip. Yesterday night got blistering cold. I ended up taking my beach towels and adding some extra layers to the sleeping bag because this is not a 0 degree sleeping bag and it was freezing. Anywho, we're about to get up, start the day. Apparently some raccoons got to our eggs, so breakfast might be kind of interesting this morning. But yeah. Oh, yep, raccoons. Freaking coons. Got to the eggs. Yeah. I should go to the garbage. Yeah. Simply breathtaking. Like there's no amount of like pictures or videos from every angle that we could do to capture something this beautiful. smash that right. Bam! Off the rock. Almost looks like a rock, but it's actually a dead sea lion. Oh, poor guy. Into the rabbit hole.
Just like these other ones, you got it mistaken. It's always hanging out in the same spot. That's because it's a plant.
I thought it was an octopus. It looks like an octopus. Delish. Future husband training right here for Dan's future wife.
Dude, this guy. What are you recording, cool?
Just a good night message to everybody else. Day 2, call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys tomorrow morning. We might go surfing. We'll see what happens. We'll go from there. All right. Screen TV.
Thanks, Koo.
The struggle is real. That is it for this camping trip. Everything's clean. There's no trash in the area. That's the way it should be done. But you know how it is with some people. Anywho, we're about to hit the road. Hope you guys enjoyed the camp video. guys like the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment and subscribe. I said it twice. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.